In this video, we'll show you how to build a custom reporting dashboard on Apollo.io, giving you a quick guide to using this powerful tool for your digital marketing needs. Whether you're new to Apollo or just looking for an easy way to customize your reporting, stick around as we walk you through the entire process step by step. If you're new to Apollo.io, you should know that this platform is a game changer for lead generation, sales engagement, and managing your outreach efforts. You can use Apollo for free from the first link below with our exclusive bonuses, so make sure to check that out before diving in. Now, let's get started with building your custom reporting dashboard. First, once you're logged in to Apollo.io, head over to the Analytics Guide tab. This is where you'll access all your reporting features. From here, you'll want to choose the type of report you want to start with, whether that's sales outreach, engagement, or something more specific like campaign performance. Apollo.io gives you a lot of flexibility in choosing what you want to track and analyze. After selecting your report type, you can easily filter your data based on various parameters like campaign names, lead status, and date ranges. This customization is key because it ensures you're focusing on the data that matters most to your business. For instance, if you're managing multiple outreach campaigns, you can create a custom report that only pulls information from a specific campaign, making it much easier to analyze performance. Now, to make this dashboard really custom, click on the Add Widget button. Widgets are powerful little tools that allow you to display your data in various formats like tables, graphs, and charts. You can add a variety of widgets depending on the metrics you want to track, such as open rates, response rates, or even conversion metrics. The key here is knowing what KPIs are most important for your business and how to display them in a way that's easy to understand. Next, don't forget to name your dashboard, something meaningful, so you can easily locate it in the future. Apollo.io lets you create multiple custom dashboards, so feel free to create as many as you need for different campaigns, teams, or reporting purposes. Once you've added all your desired widgets, you can drag and drop them into place on the dashboard. You'll notice the interface is super user-friendly and intuitive, which makes the entire process painless. You can resize your widgets, change their layout, and even delete them if they're no longer relevant. Now, here's a quick pro tip. Automate your reports. Apollo.io allows you to set up automated reports that will be delivered straight to your inbox on a regular basis. This is great if you don't want to keep checking in on your dashboard all the time. It's like having a custom reporting system that works for you without you having to lift a finger. Once you've set everything up, you can also data share your custom dashboards with other team members. This is a great feature for collaboration, as everyone can access the same data in real time, ensuring everyone is on the same page with campaign performance and strategy. Before we wrap up, remember that creating a custom reporting dashboard on Apollo.io isn't just about the data, it's about turning that data into actionable insights that can drive your business forward. Apollo's customization options make it easy to adjust your reporting to focus on what's working and what needs improvement. By leveraging these insights, you'll have a better understanding of your lead generation efforts and can make data-driven decisions to improve your strategies. To get started with Apollo.io, be sure to click the first link below for an exclusive extended free trial. This bonus will give you full access to Apollo's features, so you can start building your custom reporting dashboards right away without paying a cent. Thanks for watching.